Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and set a passcode in your iPhone settings. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the iPhone settings if you have not already. So if you do not know how to already open it up, just go to the home page of your iPhone and from here go ahead and tap the settings icon. By tapping on the settings icon, it's going to go ahead and open up this menu from where we can get started browsing all the settings we have regarding our iPhone. And now what we can do to set or change our iPhone passcode is go right here and scroll down until you find the option that says Face ID and passcode. You're going to go and tap on this, and this is going to enable you to tap in your passcode and log into your iPhone. From here we can get started tapping this option that says turn passcode on or off. As you can see, you're going to have multiple options right here. So here, once you go and scroll down, you have the option to turn your passcode off and change the passcode if you want to. So by clicking this option right here, if you already have a passcode, you can go and change it to something different. If you do not already have a passcode, it's going to give you the option right here to turn it on and to set up one. As you can see, I cannot turn it off because I am using it for different applications, and I cannot turn it off because it's already on. But if you do not already have it turned on, you will be able to do so from right here. If you have one, you can change it, and that's how it's done. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So thank you for watching, take care, and bye.